Hey everyone, this is Fabio with Fabio Verdiani Designs. I'm here in my basement because I want to show you a technique on how to fix the problem of warped drawers, because this is what I have on my Art Deco piece. Fortunately, the drawers are not too damaged, so it's just a little fix that we need to do. So let me move the camera in a way that you can see it. So you can see that the bottom is sagged and the backside has flexed that way, which obviously caused this thing to pop out. So it's not too damaged. It's not like we need to change the whole thing. But, so it's very simple. So you need to put something underneath that makes it flat. And then I'm gonna turn it around this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some glue here in this area, inside the little channel here where the drawer should have been, okay? Then when I'm done, I am gonna come here, put it on this flat area. I could add a little bit more with my finger if I want to. I think this is better. So I prepared the glue somewhere. And then all you have to do is break it like this and use one of these very useful tools. It's called a clamp to, push it back together, getting it closer. And then the trick is to spritz the concave surface of the drawer with water so that the wood will progressively flex. I highly recommend also that you put some, obviously I don't have it here, but put some, pieces of cloth. Here, they are. Very disorganized today. I recommend that you put pieces of cloth like this that you humidify so they will keep the moisture in there for a little bit. And then, because you need to keep it for probably like 12 hours, I want to say. Okay, it's probably depending on how bad the situation is, but I mean it's safe. You don't want to have to do it again. Okay, and then you will need to put some weights there to keep it flat. You don't want this too much because you don't want it to break, so you gotta be careful. I'm gonna use some of these 1 liter Annie's paint containers, which are quite heavy, to make sure that my bottom is resting comfortably against what's below. And that's it, right? So what's gonna happen is that in, I wanna say 12 hours, this is gonna be fixed and you're good to go. All right, thank you, bye.